Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel. Today I did this, I kind of went for like an editorial kind of look today. We have this like pink, I don't even know how to describe this, look with some gems. This is giving me very much like Harry Styles, Watermelon Sugar kind of vibe, a bit of very much like Euphoria, that editorial look. So if you are interested in it and want to see how I created this look, then please keep on. Hey guys, okay, so I just straightened my bangs. They're looking kind of black, so we're gonna just pin them back. But basically, I want to do one eye first and then the other, but I'm doing this like editorial look, and I want to make sure when I line it up that they're symmetrical. So I'm gonna do this eye too. I'm just using this like Kylie lip liner in Exposed, and I already put my base. Did I put my... No, I didn't put base on this side, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put my base on. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this lip liner and just try and mimic the same shape and then try to get this symmetry. This is gonna be kind of difficult because I have two different eye shapes. This eye is more almond and this eye is more round, but I want to get it as similar as possible.
2 hours later.
Okay, so now that I have this pretty even, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye up and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I kind of have it pretty much filled. Oh my god, I thought I had some of that pink in my eye, but I kind of got it all filled in. I'm gonna go back in with a tiny brush later and clean it up a bit more once I'm pretty much done with this eye. So now that we have sketched it out, I'm gonna take two brushes. I'm gonna take this kind of flat brush and this little tiny brush, and I'm just I'm scraping out some of this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm gonna fill in where we lined, so that way there's a nice white base so the color can really pop. Okay, so I got most of that done. Before we finish off with the eyes, because I want to add gems, first we're going to do the face. Now for my base, okay, I'm going to take my Milk Hydro Grip Primer and just blend this on. Honestly, I don't really know what I want to go in with foundation. My favorite foundation for like photos and stuff is my Guy By Me one. This is my foundation I have at the moment, but I have quite a few of these Makeup Forever little Reboot Skin samples, and I do like it. I don't know if that's what I want for this look, you know? I don't know. I think I'm going with the Guy By Me one for now. I think for my next look, I'm gonna do the Makeup Forever one. So I'm just put a few pumps of that, and I'm actually gonna try out this brush. It's the Rivera brush. My mom just gave this to me. It says face brush, so I'm guessing, seems like it's a little foundation brush. I'm gonna do is just put a few dots of this on my face and just blend this out. Okay, I'm gonna take my beauty blender. I forgot to wet it, so I'm just gonna spray it with some rose water spray. So now I'm gonna take my sponge and just blend this foundation further, because I don't really know how I feel about that particular foundation with, I don't know, that brush. Take some concealer, just my ColourPop Pretty Fresh, and a little bit of my Hourglass Vanish Concealer. I'm taking a little bit of this Hourglass one because it is a lot lighter. It's in the shade Cotton, just to brighten under my eye a bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. I'm taking this middle shade right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my cheekbones and also my jawline. With this look, I want to be very like chiseled. So now I'm trying to finish up this Cover FX powder. So I'm just going to use this one. Let's see. This is in translucent. I think it's translucent light, I believe. I'm going to just take some of my beauty blender and just pounce that in under my eyes. I'm also going to go ahead and bake under where we contoured and then just set the rest of my face. Okay, so now I just want to lightly bronzer because I feel like it's definitely going to be more about the blush. So I'm just going to take my Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer in Tantastic. Oh, it is a Coconut Perfect Tan. I really don't know the name of this. Okay, so I'm going to take that with this small little Ulta blush brush, but it's like my favorite thing for a bronzer. Very lightly gonna go and just bronze my face. For blush, I'm gonna take my Makeup Geek blush in XOXL, and it's just like this bright pink. And I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of this eyeshadow on this brush, wipe off some of it, and then pop a little bit of that on too. Alright, so I'm going to go in with highlight. I'm going to mix some. So I'm going to go in a bit with my Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. And then the shade Moonstone from the Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit. It's this one right here. I'm going to just mix those two. I'm putting that on the high point of my face as well as my Cupid's bow, nose, and chin. Oh my god, this is like so different than how I typically do my makeup. I'm going to give my face a little spritz with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist and then a tiny bit of 100% rose water spray. Okay, so now to finish up the eyes, I still don't completely know what I want to do. So I'm going to go in with this green right here called Social Blade from the James Charles palette. Someone is cutting grass and my dogs are literally going crazy. But I'm going to go in with this little pencil brush from BH Cosmetics and blend that underneath my lash line. I'm going to go in with the tiniest bit of brown, I guess, eyeliner. Just in the outer portion. This is the Fenty Flyliner in Big Truffle. It's their matte brown. Okay, now I'm going to use a white eyeshadow and I'm going to go in with the Norvina Volume 1 palette because their white is really, really good. In with the pencil brush that we used for, that I used for my nose highlight. Press this in here. Okay, so now I'm going to pop on some lashes. This is my first time using these. They just came in the mail today. They are House of Lashes Rose Quartz. They look super pretty. So I'm going to pop these on and then I'll be back to do the lip.
2,000 years later.
I am finally back. That took so long to get these lashes on. I don't know, I was having such trouble and I accidentally glued this one way too close to my inner corner. Meant to move it back a little bit more. Kind of hurts, but I spent like the past 20 minutes trying to put these on, so it's just gonna stay like that. So now we're gonna put on the jewels. I don't know if I want to do like the ones that have like multi-color going through, or if I just want to do plain silver. Originally I was going to do plain silver, but then these have like pink and green and stuff, so I feel like I'll bring that green in. I don't know. I just got these on these little wheels on Amazon for my nails because I like to do my own dip powder nails. Okay, so I'm gonna just take some eyelash glue and kind of dot where I want there to be a gem. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared. Okay, wait, let me get my tweezers ready. Okay, so now we're gonna do a lip. Line my lips with this nude lip liner. It is from NYX. It's their suede lip liner in London. I'm gonna go in with my Kylie liquid lip in Exposed. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of the Hello Kitty, the ColourPop X Hello Kitty Lippy Stick and Date Mate. They're definitely, this is discontinued, but there are definitely a lot of lipsticks similar to this. It's just a really hot pink. And I'm just taking a little bit on my finger and dabbing it on top just to give it a bit more of a pink hue. Also, I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Infallible lip gloss in the shade Barely Nude. Just put some of that on. I like that better. I feel like my lips look so whack though. But I'm gonna leave it at that before I feel like I'm gonna just keep making it worse. The lips, but I do actually like how the eyes came out. It gives me very much like Harry Styles Watermelon Sugar kind of vibe, but it was very fun. This was very outside my comfort zone. I wanted to do kind of an editorial kind of look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm also link my Instagram and my TikTok down below. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.